This video I'm going to show you how to eliminate the off-road light on the dashboard. Look at the dashboard, you have off-road. Right now the engine is running smooth, everything's working perfect, but the problem is off-road. This is the off-road light. So I'm going to scan this vehicle. So ABS has one fault. Let's confirm. This is the Mazda CX-5. So the main problem here is C1306, which is steering wheel angle no center foundation during initialization. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to try to clear the fault code from the system. Nothing, it cannot clear the code, so I'm going to show you how to eliminate that fault code. Look at the dashboard, we still have that fault code. What we normally do under special function, look very well, under special function there is something we call sensor initialization. So this function will change the status of the vehicle. Okay, then note before blah blah, we have some instruction you need to follow. Inspect the alignment, inflation, pressure, alpha, just the some part of the, so we need to go back and to confirm. See, everything is okay, the alignment, the pressure, I think it's good to confirm. After doing that, after confirming, we are going next. So we are going straight to the steering angle sensors. Steering angle sensor, set the ignition to on position. Right now the engine is running, so we need to set back to the on position like that. Okay, please wait. The procedure successful. Okay, turn the ignition to the on position, off position. We need to turn back to the off position. Then okay, after 5 minutes or more driving, verify the VSC system is normal, right? So we need to drive a bit, around 5 minutes. Okay, let me start the vehicle. So still we have off-road light, so we don't want to drive because if you don't know how to drive the vehicle, you need to go back to actuation test. After doing that, you need to go back to actuation test. Under actuation, steering angle sensor initializing start. Okay, right here we have steering angle sensor initializing start. Then we have two faults, so you have to turn the steering 90 degrees to the right, 90 degrees to the left, like this. Right, left, just like that. Look at the dashboard. So right now the ABS is blinking, but there's no any off-road light on the dashboard. So in this you need to go back, don't do any or adjust anything, just go back like this, just exit the program completely, go back like that. After doing that, you are done. Look at the dashboard, there's not any off-road light, there's not any ABS. Let me put ignition off, let me put ignition on. See, the off-road and ABS are reporting the way it's supposed to be. See, let me start the vehicle. So everything is working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.